Okay, everyone, I am really sick and tired of kids messing with fire alarms in schools. I am really sick and tired of this behavior because this type of behavior is very dangerous and very illegal. And with the school discipline aspect of it, these kids will no longer get an education because they will get suspended and expelled from school, and with the parents, they will get grounded by their parents. Because messing with fire alarms at school is a very wrong thing to do. So, you don't ever do that. Grow up and stop treating fire alarms like toys because they are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices. They protect the building and its occupants from deadly fires. So, this is why you do not mess around with these things. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, it is okay to mess around with them, but in a public building like a school, it is absolutely a felony to mess around with these things. So, you do not mess around with these things in a public building. Bye.